This is Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, I'm working on a small order for a kid's birthday party. So right now what I have done, I'm going to be sublimating a few shirts, and I'm also going to be printing a few stickers, and I'm also going to be printing a few chip bags right here. And if you don't know what chip bags are, you can actually, I know you can type it in here on YouTube and that'll give you a good idea of what it is. That's not something I usually do, but the customer asked if I could do it, and you know, if I can do it, I will do it. It may be something I add later, but anyway, right here, as you guys see, I have my chip bags printed out right here. If y'all was on my live stream earlier today, I was talking about how I was having a few issues with my printer. So what I'm going to do is see if I can actually print these out with my sublimation printer and see how they come out. So hopefully everything will work out with that, and I'll probably be doing the stickers on the sublimation printer also. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see what I do have going on. Okay, right here, if you can see on my screen, I'm working in Photoshop. I needed the name to go on the back and a couple of designs in the kid size, so that's it right here, what I have. And I've actually already printed everything out. So right here, here's the kids' designs right here. I have them both printed out. And as you know, if you're doing sublimation, you have to print it mirrored. So I'm going to use this one first. And then I have this name that's going to be going on the back of the adult shirt. So I'm going to go around to this side and let you guys check it out. Okay, I have two of these right here. Right here, this is the one that came out right, and this other one right here, it had a few lines in the blue sky part right here because I forgot to change the print setting. So right here, as you see, this one came out right. So I'm going to put these together and bring them over by my printer, or by my press. I'm saying printer, but I mean press. Alright, so I have everything set up. Let me see if I can get everything in frame. Yeah, so I got everything set up right here, and I do have the printer set up on the right setting and everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna just lay this out, and I'm gonna grab my Teflon pillow. Yeah, just put the Teflon pillow under the paper and everything, and grab my shirt. They actually asked for a smaller shirt, but you know, this kind of was last minute, so, and it wasn't enough shirts to order to have to order something. So hey, we're gonna go with what we got here. And as y'all know, with the smaller shirts, I don't use my T-square with the very small shirts. I just kind of, y'all hear that train once again, I just kind of line it up by eye. Let me see. And I'm going to grab this, place it on top, and I don't know, I have had, y'all, I've had, doing these shirts, the instructions that I found for this paper that I use, which is like the, I can't even remember the name of it, I'll put it below here so y'all know the name of it, but it's sublimation paper. It's like, kind of got a little tackiness to it so that it don't move and mess up your shirts and stuff like that when you do it. It calls for 30 seconds, 400 degrees for 30 seconds. And I did have somebody that had commented on a video a while back that they were saying I should have did it for longer. So I'm gonna do 50 seconds. You know, I have an extra shirt over there in case I mess it up, but that is what it says. You know, it asks for 30 seconds, so I'm gonna do 55 seconds. 55 seconds, okay? Go ahead and print it. And actually, I'm pretty sure that, let me see, 1, Okay, that's better right there. Hopefully that didn't mess it up when I picked that up and put it back down. We about to see though. Put it on 55 seconds. So it's counting down to 55 seconds. All right, let's see how things turned out. And I think no, I didn't mess it up. No, I didn't mess it up. It still got a lot of ink on there, y'all. As y'all see, it still got a lot of ink on there. I'm thinking it's just the paper that I'm using. And let me let y'all check out the image right here. That's what it's looking like right there. So as y'all see, it did come out good. It does have the marks around here, you know, the press marks. Yeah, but everything else came out good right here, as you see. Yeah, and it didn't mess it up. Came out good. Paper still has extra ink on it, but I'm thinking it's the type of paper that I use. All right, so the lady, she called and she told me that she had got a special shirt that she wanted to be pressed for her shirt. So when she get here, I'm gonna do that shirt. Cause the shirt that I have, I told her what brand it was, and she said that she wear those, but she didn't really like them that much, so she got her own special shirt. So she'll be bringing that along shortly, and I'll be pressing that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change this paper out and have it ready for when she does come, cause she should be on her way. All right, y'all. So here's what happened. Here's the little test that I did. Now y'all know your girl have moved, so I can't just go down the road to print a sheet, you know, to print a design out. So here is the thing right here that I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all. Now this is the one that I printed earlier using my laser printer. As y'all see, it didn't really come out as the way it was supposed to, especially on the edges right here. It's supposed to be red right here like how it is on this part, but I don't know, it's got like lines or something. I'm gonna end up having to call the company. So I did try to print it out with the other printer that I have that prints photo quality, and as y'all see, this is a sublimation printer, so it is not bright. If you compare the two, I would choose the top one. So I'm just gonna go with the top one because this is not really what I do. I don't really do this. I'm just kind of doing it because she asked, and my price for these are really cheap because I saw what someone else is charging online. So you know, she can either take it or leave it. You know, it's nothing but paper. So I'm gonna stick it in here, and these are ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna print a couple of stickers out and see how they turn out, and then actually the stickers is gonna have like this same middle design on it, but at the bottom she wanted like a happy birthday Dallas or something like that. So I'm gonna have to look on the sheet and see what she want, and then I'll go ahead and print those stickers out. Y'all, when I have a lot going on, I'll be forgetting to film sometimes. So right here, I'm gonna let you guys see. I did just print the stickers out. Let me see. Grab that and see what it looks like. Alright, the stickers came out pretty good. It's just the regular paper that is having the issue. So right there, this is the stickers. It's 2 stickers on each sheet. Do I need to move it over a little bit? Let me see. Alright, so this is the sticker right here. It came out pretty good. Actually, no, this little bottom part, the bottom part right there, kind of didn't come out that good. Everything else came out good. Let me see. Right here, I'm gonna move this one over just a little bit because as you see, it's real close to the edge right there. Well, they both real close to the edge, but they both on there. So I'm gonna move both of them over just a little bit. I mean, they gonna have to just go with this, with the name like that, because I don't know what's going on with my printer, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to order a part or something for it, or I don't know. But that's what the thing is, and they either gonna have to be able to take it or not take it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. Alright, I went ahead and moved that over a little bit, and we gonna see what happens once we print it. It's coming through. All right, so yeah, that actually, let me see. It's gonna be okay. It's all right. All right, y'all. So here's the thing right here. This bag right here is what these stickers are supposed to go on. So I was thinking this would be the perfect size, but now that I have the bag right here, I mean, it'll fit, but it's just gonna be hanging over a little bit. And there's another train coming. Alright, so, you know, because it's supposed to go on this bag, I was actually thinking that if it was about half this size, it would actually fit better. So what I did, I folded a regular sheet of paper in half. I folded it in half, and then I folded it in half again, so I folded it in fourths. And I think that would be the perfect size to go on this bag right here. So I'm going to go back and resize these. These two will be, I mean, I'm forgetting to record on everything today, y'all. But anyway, here are the four sheets right here. I put 4 to a sheet, and now I just have to cut them out. But I'm going to show you guys over here what everything is looking like. Like what I did right here, I just printed on a regular sheet of paper, folded in half, put it on top of the bag. So I'm like, boom, this is gonna work. That's gonna be a perfect fit right there, just like that, because these other ones are gonna be too big right there. That's gonna be too big. The bag, it's not gonna fit on the bag. So if you look right here, it's the same size as the bag. So yeah, it's gonna be a little big on the bag. It just would look better smaller. So just printed them smaller. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, the rest of the stickers are printing out, because she had I had called her and text her a picture and everything. So she wants me to cut the stickers out for her, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna cut them out. All right, here's all the stickers. They are done, completed with the laser printer. And first she had ordered 40, but now she's saying she need like 32 or something like that. I don't know. Let me move some stuff out the way. And as you guys know, I got this paper cutter right here. So with my paper cutter, I have it what I think is measured half sheet. It's for when it's folded in half like this. So I need it folded in half this way. So what I did is, I took this first sheet of paper right here and I folded it in half. So I'm going to get it in the right place, and then I'll know where to cut the rest of it at. I think it's going to be right here. Like right here. I think it's going to be like lined up right there on that line. I'm going to put it closer so y'all can see better. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So the halfway mark is right there. This little plastic edge is the edge of it. So I'm going to put it on here and try to see. Okay, over just a little bit. So it's going to be like the mark right after that long line on there. So that's going to be the center marking right there. So right there, and we have 4 individual stickers, 2 on each sheet. I can cut that part too. I'll go ahead and do that. So as you see right here, they're right there. Alright, so these are what the stickers are looking like right here, in case you guys want to do some on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of them. Let me see. And make sure that's the big line after the 11. Make sure they are even. Oops. Nope, they are not even, as you see. I did not cut them. I messed up. Messed up on these two right here, as you see. This one is wider, but it's gonna be all right. It's gonna do the same job. Alright, so let's try to get this one right. I'm going to take this other one and I'm going to put it over here just to try to see exactly where that needs to be. So I think I was behind the 11 and I should have been in front of the 11. It's the first big one right there. So this next one should be perfect. The next one should be perfect. Okay, we got this, and then that should be there. Alright, this should be right this time. Let me see. Yeah, that should be right. That should be right that time. Hopefully I'll get it right this time. Alright. Alright, that's right there. So I'll go ahead and cut this. Pretty much right anyway. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these off camera, and I'll come back and let you guys check them out. Alright, I have all the stickers right here. They're cut out. And it's actually 32 of them. I had a couple that are not the same size as the other ones. They are slightly bigger because I didn't cut them out just perfectly, but they, you know, they're gonna work out. Y'all saw what they're gonna be used for, and everything is done. I have the, let me see, I have the chip bags right here, and I guess I can cut the edges off, the white edges. I'll probably go ahead and do that, and that way she don't have to worry about doing that. And I also have these, the stickers. I'm going to put all of that into this little manila envelope right here. So that's all ready to go. And I have the child's shirt. I'll stick that all in one bag. And the only thing I have to do once she get here is her shirt. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film that part. If I am, I'll go ahead and add it in here. And y'all won't even hear about this part, possibly. If not, then I'm going to go ahead and end the video. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and my other channel, which is T-Shirt Chick Live, if you stay to the end of this video, I have two logos. It's like two round logos. If you click on one, it's gonna let you subscribe to this channel right here, and that's the one with the green t-shirt. If you click on the one with the red shirt, you can subscribe to my other channel so that you can catch my live streams that I do Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. And also, be sure to hit the notification button for both channels so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you haven't already, you can follow me on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.